What's going on YouTube and cryptocurrency family? My name is Harry and I am the Crypto Vet. Thank you for tuning in. This is a brand new week. It is now Monday. It looks like it is 6:12 p.m. Texas time, and we're going to go over some little updates on Bitcoin, XRP, and Ethereum. Take a quick look at Link, because right before I hit the record button, that shit just dropped down to like $16. So we'll see what the hell happened there. And I'm also going to just go over dollar cost averaging one more time, because I've talked to a lot of people in the Discord. I still think that's the safest and best bet. Trading and doing shit like I do, not the best bet. So first, let's go ahead and get started and head over to CoinMarketCap, where we can see that Bitcoin is currently trading at 12,333, up almost 4%. XRP is up about 6. It was up almost 6.5%. And scrolling on down, Ethereum got up to about 440s, trading around 437. We'll see how that goes. There was a couple big ones. We had Tron up 11%, and then one more one was, there we go, Ave or Lend. I think Ave and Lend are the same thing. I don't remember. But first, let's go ahead and head over to Bitcoin. So right here, we are on the daily candle chart. We have in these green line here, and here is our ascending triangle pattern that we were staying in, and we broke out of the ascending triangle. I told a lot of people in the Discord, not sold just yet. I could be in about 45 minutes, depending on where we close. But as of right now, I'm not sold yet, because the last time, we came up to here, we had a nice correction way down the next day. But also, I expected the breakout of this ascending triangle to be a little bit higher, so I'm worried that it could be a little bit of a fake out. If we do close, say, above 12.5-ish, I would be very, very happy, which doesn't look like it's going to do, but anything can happen. But I just wanted to see us out of this ascending channel as well, because let's say that we delete this line right here. Oh shit, I did the wrong thing. All right, let's try that. We're going to go here, select this one, let's get rid of that, and let's say we didn't have that ascending triangle pattern, and this is our next pattern. So we're still in a very bullish formation here of a, pennant for the original bull trend or rally up here. But, we could easily just stay, let me get my little drawing pen, and just do this before we go up, right? And in that case, I just want you guys to see every potential scenario that could happen. I definitely think that we are going to go up, but how we get there is anybody's business. We don't know. We don't know what's going to be the route. Don't know how it's going to get there. But the two scenarios for, like, say we were to bust out, I would say coming up out of the ascending channel here would probably put us close to around the 13.7. And then if we were to come out of just this in general, I would say right up to about 14.2 to 14.5. And if we bring up the visible range, let's see where that was at. We don't have much above us. You can see right here, there's not much going above us. So definitely very, very bullish, but like if you're going all in on a trade, 50x leverage, thinking that it's going to bust out right now, you're probably going to get shit on, because it'll probably come down a little bit before then and you'll get liquidated or stopped out. So be careful on that stuff, guys. We do have a potential cross right here on the MACD, and this is on the daily. Pretty much every time that happens, we have good several days, maybe at least a week or so of good uptrend. So keep an eye on that. And also, we are in a pretty close spot right at the 70-ish on the RSI. However, if we, let me bring that one back down. If we go over here, and let me stretch this out here, we can see that we had that cross back here on the MACD. We bounced and stayed on it, confirmation, and we went up, and we pushed past the 70 here, right? So if we come back to here and we bring this down, we are having the exact same little setup here. So yeah, we very well could be going to push and setting a new candlestick closes above the 12.5, 13,000 range, which we haven't seen in a long, long time. So that's what I would say to watch out for. I actually closed out my trades just because I like to keep my money. I can always enter in at 12.6 on a long if that's the way it's going to be, and ride it up to 13.5 on a high leverage and make a lot of money. I don't have to stay in right here to make the money. So Just in case, I was in at like 11.4ish, so I was in a pretty rough entry point. So I got out while I could, made my money, and so we will just have to see. And then heading over to Ethereum. So I'm on the 4-hour right now, but I'll go ahead and switch to about the daily so we can just get some of this funk out of here, make it look a little bit cleaner. We're having the exact same little setups here. On the MACD, we are already had a cross and we're potentially coming back down, but this can immediately turn and go straight up. We're following this upward trend. We had like a little flag formation here that we did come out of, and you know we're definitely in overbought territory here, but that doesn't mean anything. We'll just kind of have to see. I know that there was a little bit of issues with ETH and their 2.0 testnet crashing and things like that. But there's a lot of shit that runs on Ethereum, so there's a lot of good people who know what they're doing. They're probably going to find a way to fix it. I'm still looking to see right around the 440 to 450 range. I want to see us get above 450 and hold there, and hopefully trade sideways for a good bit, so that way we can reset some of these oscillators. For ETH, I don't do any type of short trading. I just buy that shit and hold it. That's all I do. If you would like for me to go over it, I know there's a lot of people in my Discord, link in the description, who do like that. By all means, I will go over different trades. I just personally do not. Even like you can see on my Bybit right now, I have a trade in for XRP on high leverage only because I saw this M pattern forming here. So I entered in right there, fucking right there I entered in, and you can see that it's playing out pretty much exactly as I hoped. If it takes a little too long, I will probably just close it out at market here just so I can keep the profits coming in, and I'll give away the XRP to you guys. But I don't do that on Ethereum. I don't know why I don't, honestly. Maybe because right now it's just not moving as much as I'd like. I don't feel like I have as good enough grasp on the market. I don't know. All right, so let's go to XRP. So on XRP, we can see here that we are getting to where it's, the last time I did this, we shot up to something crazy. So you can't quite see what I was looking at here, but this is just the MACD. Kind of having a little bit of bounce, and then we had that confirmation to launch up, plus we have high volume and still a lot of purchasing. We were in this little flag here, we busted out, we formed another little symmetrical triangle, we rode this trend line up, and we broke out of this one, and now here we are. So I know this is a lot of crap. I just trying to show you how we built up the narrative that we are currently in. But if I go ahead and let me just, there it is, let me just clear all this crap. Let's get rid of the Bollinger Bands, and we'll just have plain old stuff. We don't need any of this other crap. Let's get rid of that volume. All right, and we're gonna move this to, let's say, the weekly. We're gonna go out. Oh, my neighbor started his car. Hello. All right, so let's see here. So the last time that we were at this price, it would really help if I was on the right chart. I need the long one. Where is it? Is it Bitfinex that has the all the way? Yeah. Okay, so the last time that we were right here sitting in this area of resistance was right before we got launched up to our all-time highs. So, you know, to me, I can see us. Let me get my head a little bit higher here so you can see all this crap. So you can see the last time that we've been fighting this resistance was right before we had the huge rally upwards. We're in that pocket. We're testing it for the third time. You know, the third time we tested it, we just had exponential parabolic uprise. So, you know, there's a lot that could be going on. The reason I bring this up is because I had one guy tell me I was a fucking idiot for buying XRP. So thank you, buddy, for speaking your mind. I appreciate it. I would love to discuss XRP with you on a more intelligent basis, but I don't think I have enough crayons to explain it to you, since all you wanted to do was call me an idiot. You didn't want to tell me why something else was better. Still waiting on something. I'm not even going to say your name because I don't want to call you out. You know, for my luck, you're probably, you know, 10 years old and just like Bitcoin, but sure, I am a fucking idiot. That's fine. I get it. A lot of people who don't like XRP are butthurt because they bought in up here. Give it time. You know, I have bought in on coins that were hyped up. Perfect example is going to be Chainlink. I bought in during the hype right here. You know, luckily for me, that hype has played out. You know, what happens if it just straight takes a shit right here, goes down to $2, and I bought in at 6 to 7? Yeah, I would feel pretty crappy, right? But Chainlink has a good plan overall, and so does XRP. So don't just call me an idiot if you're not going to argue with me. One other person did say that he didn't agree with me, and his explanation was that it's whale manipulation and the fact that Ripple owns a lot of it. This is a capitalist world. Why would you create something if you could not take a piece of the pie and have some of that money, right? To counter that argument, again, most of the holdings of XRP that have not been released are held in escrow on a rolling window. This window is allowed to keep putting more and more out. Yes, there is a chance that when this all gets put out there that, you know, banks and everybody else could buy it up. This is a centralized coin, not true as well. It is actually more decentralized than Bitcoin, but again, for another argument. So just make sure you do your research, guys. Lots of people don't like XRP. A lot of the people that I watch, like Carl from the Moon, Crypto, DaVinci J15, don't like XRP. These guys are all really fucking smart. So just do your own research. I like XRP. That's my opinion. So, you know, whatever the case may be, hop in the Discord. You can more than welcome to call me whatever names you want. Tell me what you think about it, but I will offer you a good argument for every scenario you have. And I'm sorry if that hurts your feelings when you don't have something else to say back, but all that means is you need to do more research so you can say some shit back to me, right? Come on, give me a challenge. I'm just a doctor/idiot. This is not financial advice. But back, just a quick look at this chart is we're setting up for another potential parabolic run here. So, you know, pack your bags if you want to. Another thing DaVinci J15 said is, I'm here to trade these coins, not date them. So just trade this bitch, right? Kick her to the curb when you're done. You don't need her. She'll be in my bedroom for the rest of the time to come, all right? So just a quick thing there. So currently I have been doing a little bit of scalp trading so I can do my giveaways. I did see that I hit 250 subs, so tomorrow in my video I will do another giveaway announcement, so please tune in for my video tomorrow, and I'll most likely just give away 150 XRP split up to 3 different people, so that way I can continue to keep doing these giveaways. As we can see here, I'm up almost 250 XRP just on this trade alone, so I'll keep doing my best to make as much so that way I can keep giving. Not sure what the hell happened to Link. Somebody did something bad, but if I move my head back, whoa, move me back down to the bottom here, and about there. All right, we can see that right as I was recording this in the last, probably, I think it was about the last 30 minutes. Yeah, we had this dump here, so not quite sure what happened. I'll look into it. It looks like the wick went way far down, and we are still buying back up pretty fast. A lot of people have been trading this on high leverage on Femex, I believe it is. So I bet a lot of people just lost a shit ton of money longing the fuck out of this, which is why you don't do that, guys. It's why you don't do that, all right? So that's going to be it for today. I put this article back in my video again. I think this is the best method. I'm not going to go over it because my video is already kind of long. I do talk about it in the Discord, but this is a quick read from Investopedia. So good. Such an easy way. You just buy in a little bit of money as you go, and that way you can just bring down the cost of volatility, right? Because, right, it goes up, it goes down, it goes up, it goes down. If you buy in a little bit over time, you can bring that volatility down overall and make the best out of your investment. So be sure to look into that. Remember, this is not a financial advice. I'm just a doctor/idiot. Do not buy or sell anything because of what I say. Continue to argue with me in the comments in the Discord. All of that shit's linked in the description. I do appreciate being called all the names in the book. I will think of better ones to call you little shit stains that call me all these things. So, but you guys take it easy, and I'll catch you in the next one.